This is Angela Baracco, Harvard Public Schools math coach. I'm here with you today for our first Harvard Public Schools math problem of the day. So every day your math coaches are going to come to you with either a problem or a math story to share, hopefully from grades K to 12, and you can reply to us with your work that you've done at home or your answers or your questions, and we will try to keep in touch. We miss you, so we hope you enjoy doing a little extra math at home with your families. So our problem for today says, Alexander was relaxing in the grass when he noticed the clover grass wiggling near his fingertips. Suddenly, he felt something in the palm of his hand, and he quickly closed his fingers to find that he had caught a leprechaun. "Let go of me," the leprechaun cried, but Alexander was excited to play with his new little friend. "Don't worry," said Alexander. "Of course I will let you go. I was just hoping we could play a game to find a pot of gold." The leprechaun smiled. "I will do something even better. Instead of telling you where to find the pot of gold, I will share with you a magic gold nugget." The leprechaun explained to Alex that if he put the gold nugget underneath his pillow every night, the next morning he would wake up and have twice the gold. He could place all his new gold under his pillow, and the next night it would double again. The magic gold would do this forever. Alexander wasn't sure if the leprechaun was being sneaky, but before he could even think about it, the leprechaun tossed him the gold nugget and vanished out of sight. So what we want you to do is make sure you're thinking like mathematicians and think, what kinds of questions would mathematicians ask? I heard some really interesting information about how those gold nuggets might multiply and double and get more and more and more, because obviously we want to have as many gold nuggets as we can. I'm also thinking about the story and who the story is about, who our characters are, what our setting is, any kinds of questions that you would ask about this particular story. So once you have those conversations about your questions with your moms and your dads and your grandmas and your grandpas and your brothers and your sisters, make sure that you take a look at what some questions that the Hartford math coaches are asking for you. So if you are a mini mathematician and you are in grades pre-K to 2, you might ask, can I make a picture to show how many gold nuggets Alex would have after 3 nights of placing his gold under his pillow? And then what would happen after the 4th night? Moms and dads, you can use dried beans, Cheerios, any kinds of cool things to model and use as counters for your gold nuggets. If I am a curious mathematician and I am in grades 3 to 5, I might ask, can I make a model or draw a picture to show me how many gold nuggets Alex would have after 5 nights of placing his gold under his pillow? How many nights would it take before Alexander had more than 60 gold nuggets? If I am a middle grades mathematician in grades 6 to 8, I might ask, can I organize how Alex's gold is growing into a table or a graph? If each gold nugget is 5 pounds, how many pounds of gold will Alexander have after 5 days? And if I am a master mathematician in grades 9 through 12, you know who you are, I might ask myself, can I organize how Alex's gold is growing into a table or a graph? What function would represent the growth in Alexander's gold? So how can I model it? Can you predict on what day Alexander would have 1,000 gold nuggets? Bonus points if you use a graphing calculator or Desmos to solve that problem in the high school grades. All right, everybody, we're so super excited to hear about all your mathematical thinking. Don't forget to take a photo or a video of your math and comment to our post so that we can see your work. Tag a Harvard Math Coach or use the hashtag Harvard Public Schools Young Mathematicians. You can also tag your school or your teachers so they see your great work as well. We hope everyone is doing lots of math while they're home on our little break. See you guys soon.